Kind of a gloomy day. It's a gloomy, gloomy day. A gloomy fall day. A gloomy fall day. A gloomy fall. Oh my gosh. Looks like there's an old woman on my back porch. Are you, ma'am, are you okay? Help, Rocket. Oh, that was a scary experience. I hope that alien, or whatever it was, is gone from the backyard. Oh. Oh my gosh, what's that? Hey, did you see an alien around here somewhere?
Alien? Mom, do you see this coat? And do you see those things over there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I get it. It was you all the time.
Okay, everybody who's watching this, I'm gonna be an alien for Halloween.